This is to show you how to line the back yoke of the Lee. I have cut out the back yoke and I have cut out the back yoke lining. No, they are not the same size, and this is a bit confusing to people, so I'm going to show you how they go together. First of all, I'll take this pin out, and I have marked in red marking pen the facing fold line on my yoke. All right, now I'll unpin my pattern pieces and remove them. Now, this side of the back yoke lining will sew to the side of the back yoke like this. Now, I have completed sewing the lining to the yoke using a 1/4 of an inch seam. Now, I flip it over. I fold this back like this, and now the lining and the yoke lining and the yoke are both the same size. So you would press here, and the reason we did it this way is to keep your lining from showing. In the old pattern, we had the lining going right up here to this edge. In the new one, it wraps around, giving it a nicer finish on the inside of the garment.